Okay, so we've finished up the third of our processes here, service level management and service design. Let's start getting on
So as you can see,
availability
it's following along
management.
with the
Availability management is,
highlighting
if you boil it down,
when you
I
play
like to call
it as
this
it is.
uptime. Okay, uptime and availability
So
of services.
do the
and
pop out.
components. And
Move it over to the right screen.
components, and we need to agree on these with our customers for current and future availability needs that the customers have for their services.
You
So
can
the
see
scope of availability management, the scope covers
over here,
the design,
still
the
following along
implementation, the monitoring, the measurement,
transcript.
management and improvement of the IT service and the component availability, and make
There's a
sure
video
we
on the
extend
right
it across
monitor.
the entire life cycle. Service availability,
You can see it
component
scrolling on
availability.
the
This is one of the things we initially struggled with
Scrolling on the
in one of the
left.
data centers I worked in, because many of the folks were really concerned with component availability, which is good, right? Component
And what I'm going to do,
availability,
if
we
you
need that.
notice on the right screen,
But
I'm
we
going
have
to go
those
to the next
component
video.
support services. What my customers were. Okay, so far in service design, we've talked about design coordination, catalog,
As you can
service
see,
level management, availability. So let's hit
highlight's
capacity
still
management.
moving,
Talk about a few important aspects of
but the
capacity management.
transcript is still
It's
from
really
availability
a balancing
management.
act. Capacity
So get
management,
closer so you
balancing
can see
act, balancing costs against the resources needed, right? Balancing act of supply against the demand. Because
So
capacity
you can
helps
see
us support the
still highlighting,
performance,
but it's
by
highlighting the
having
script that I was just playing.
The
Let's see
right
if I
amount
can
of
move it up.
capacity at the right amount of time. We don't want to go buy over capacity because we're
So you can
wasting
see when I
company
scroll
dollars.
really
We're
quickly, you can
wasting
see it
money
says
by
availability
slamming
management
too
right
much
at the top.
capacity in this. So we need to make sure we have some planning put in place and
So
balance
watch.
that
I'm gonna
with
go
the
to the
demand
next
and also
video.
the cost of these things.
It's going to go right back.
Okay, IT service continuity management. The next process we'll talk about in the service
the same
design
thing.
phase. So, continuity management. I always think of continuity management.
And go to the next video.
Okay, only a couple of processes left in service
Same
design.
transcript.
Finish service IT service continuity management. Now let's go on to security. Information security management. Now, remember, ITIL is not a standard.
still,
Therefore,
As you can see,
the security
words do not
process
line up.
within ITIL. This is not a security standard. You basically have